issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Kaufman County in north-central Texas, northwestern Zandt County in north-central Texas, southern Rains County in north-central Texas, until 12:15 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 11:11 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Crandall, or near Kaufman, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Terrell, Seagoville, Kaufman, Kenton, Wills Point, Grand Saline, Crandall, Van, Combine, Tulsi, Edgewood, Fruitvale, Oak Grove, Post Oak Bend City, and Oak Ridge. This includes Interstate 20 between mile markers 499 and 536. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Central Standard Time for north-central Texas.